Yo, you did. Hell, you did. Yo, yes. Oh! I see you're here for ASMR. Where? Hey, man, you clapped us! Go, dude! I'm coming! Should we say fuck? Let's fucking go! I'm so proud of the man! I'm so proud! I'm so proud of the man!
Deep breaths.
Ni hao, ni hama.
Suction.
Mercy. Ni hao, ni hama. Did I say that right?
I'm not Chinese.
Fuck. Dude, my chat said you were.
What?
They said you said it in Chinese. They said you were cursing in Chinese after you died.
What? No, what?
Dude.
Your chat doesn't know me. I'm a nobody. Go away.
Jesus Christ.
What is that?
Chat! I can't believe you done this.
I can't see you from over there.
Chat, I can't believe you done this. That was not Japanese. That was Chinese, my dog.
Tracer behind. Can't see you.
Tristan, recall.
Have you widow? Have you
Oh my god.
Wiki.
Chat, the ultimate cocks.
Someone stop left. Someone stop left.
And I knew you nade? No nade.
What's good, my dude? Guess how many hours do I have in the World Cup? If you have to guess how many hours you have on Monkey, 1,001 hours, something like that. 11001. Okay. I checked yesterday, fucking bitch. Oh, you admire? Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking. I'm getting slammed in.
I got you, dude. You're fine.
I got 2 men. Can I play the game?
I'm close to grab. Break, trying me.
Please. When's my turn? When's my turn to put? Dude! When's my turn, dude? What the fuck, man? I'm so. All this is all gone. Now it's just this. To get this, to go like this, you have to either take drugs or be Tina Tapman, and I'm not Tina Tapman, so did it. Okay, so Seagull has like a he uses a razor death adder, right? Seagull uses a razor death adder, which is like a pretty thick, big mouse, right? It's pretty big, and Seagull has huge hands. His hands are big and thick, like he has like sausages, right? And whenever he plays, dude, I always notice, in the opposite, dude, it's like, you know a lot of players, dude, you know like they play like this, like that, you know, with the arm and shit? Seagull, dude, he looks like a dad doing taxes on a Sunday. He's like this. You know, with like a huge hand, and he's just like gliding. Just gliding like that. I'm like, holy shit, man. I bought some things for today's ASMR, boys, okay? I thought that we'd do a special today.
I was here, Pog.
We're at the beach. And, doing a massage. Then I found a keyboard. It's lunchtime. Number one Overwatch streamer, boys! Mighty close to party, have a real good time! Overwatch streamer. Boys, Twister is behind! She has no recall! I repeat, she has no recall! Xqc, kill her! You're on star DPM! I killed your boys! Easy kill!
Res that shit, I got you, Mercy.
Res! I'll buy you a coke! Watch this! Ready? This is called a mowing one! Kill me! Oh, next! 1v6! Hey, more strats, more! Here we go, dude! Here we go!
I'll pick that for you.
He's fucking dead, dude! Fuck! Res me, Mercy! Yo! Res! My ultimate is ready.
Come on.
I'm gonna flash check it. Watch this.
What the fuck? Tag coming. It's one. Huge. I'm gonna make this area.
I have blade here. You fuck me, Missy? Missy ready? Missy ready? Missy ready? Missy ready? You're not damage resisting me, holy fuck! Man.
I'm not there. You're literally dead.
Sorry, right side.
Alright, can we go main? Enemy, let's go. Six.
Put that on Reddit.
Boom! Boom! I can feel it. I can feel it.
Give me a motivational speech.
What the fuck? She's just fucking retarded.
My sound barrier is almost ready.
Touch again one more time?
Yeah, I got it.
I'm also bro.
Fuck, that sucks. Who is this guy? Who are you? Who are you? Whomagal or Yomagal?
Switching sides. Here, hang defenses. A selection here. Flowing through the silence and
Just go counter goats, easy clap.
That Matrix, though. I'm sorry. Wait, he wasn't even Matrixing. He was out of suit. Wait, what?
Never insult my quality. Never do that. Never come in this chat and insult my quality, dude. Don't do that! You don't do that! You don't do that!
Team 1.
You don't come here and insult my quality! This shit costs motherfucking 10k, dude! It's a 10k market!
I don't know, where's her head hitbox? Let's find out.
Deliberate behind.
That's so dumb.
Keyblade.
Holy shit! How much more can I do, man? Holy fuck, dude! I'm getting.
We have 3 ults coming up here. Let's pocket the blade with Val. Can you Steve a bomb to extend the fight?
Dude, what? Let's go, dude! Watch me! I got Iron, dude! I got Ryan, dude! There's Ryan, dude! I'm on Murder's I got Ryan, dude! Follow me at twitch.tv/clone fucking content! Okay, I'm Boys, I'm spawn camping him! Let's go, dude! Okay, Andy! Coming up! Andy! I just know you fuck! I'm killing them all! Big eye in! I'll be ready, I got big eye in! He's so bad at on it, he literally misses every shot. I stood still and he missed me. He's cheating! I saw it! He's cheating! The Widow's cheating! He's cheating! I saw it! Your torch trapped where Yoink is at! Mine now, boys! Coming up on men! Hold job! Run! Back to the
It's almost over. Check this out.
10 seconds remaining.
Then right.
Everyone get on your head.
Oh my god.
No one can hide.
Oh, let's break it. Damn!
Do you ever think Lucio will be Metu Agin?
Fuck! I don't give a fuck about Lucio! Character sucks dick, man! Lawrence standard. Motivation is a perishable good. Right?
You got the right stuff.
Motivation is like... It's like jerking off. You need it daily. So one speech is not gonna do shit. You'll lose it the next morning. Find your motivation from within.
Hello?
No key will unlock your brain. Your brain is fucking bricked. Your brain needs to constantly be twisted. It's like a clock. Tick clock. After a while, the real clocks, the big ones, you need to crank them. The brain is so stupid, you need to crank it multiple times a day. It doesn't take one key or one push. Somebody's low! The crazy one! I'm being it! I'm dead, boys! I'm dead! Kill Ryan! Kill Ryan! Ryan's Ryan! Kill him! Thank you!
Bagus dia ba? Okay, Genji. Naman. Oh my god! Go on. I got baby Diva. Go on. Xqc! Xqc!
Yo, fucking let's go, boys! Oh, I'm dizzy.
Well, at least like the cmonBruh.
Oh, dude. Every time something like this happens, dude, my heart races, dude, and then it's like I can't breathe, and there's like less colors around it.